Road boy.
Get to this shit, man. This
Hey, all my road motherfuckers. This that shit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This right here is my swag. All the bitches are on me. Damn. Everybody pay attention. This right here is my rude boy swag. Hey, rude boy swag. Hey, got you niggas mad at my rude boy swag. Rude boy swag. Rude boy swag. Got you bitches glad cause I'm with my rude boy. That's your rude boy swag. Hey, rude boy swag. Got you bitches mad at my rude boy swag. Rude boy swag. Rude boy swag. Got you bitches glad at my rude boy swag.
Soldier Toys. Man, you niggas is weak. Man, y'all coming on these weak ass beats. Man, y'all niggas don't really
My
want to
nigga
see
Sean,
Come to us, niggas.
aka Damu, aka the Fizz.
You niggas better get out my way when I hit you with this K. This rude boy shit, I don't give a fuck where you stay. I'll come to your house and give you the biz. I don't give a fuck if you got kids. I'll kidnap your ass and tie you up for biz. Hey, give me the ransom. Me and my niggas, yeah, we handsome. We get the bitches.
Okay.
You already know, nigga, ooh, pushing Lamborghinis with the double chains. Fuck you, nigga, pay me my fucking money. Nigga, already know, nigga, I'm hella dummy. Fucking bitches every day, nigga, get paid. Fucking all these bitches and never getting laid. Nigga, you whack, nigga, fuck your bitch. I don't give a fuck, cause I'm always on the shit. Fuck you, nigga, I'm a motherfucking rich boy, nigga. I swear to God, I fuck your bitch. I'll take your chain, nigga, give me that shit. Rob your ass with this motherfucking Mac, bitch. Point it to your face and pull that trigger, nigga. Now you looking like a mashed potato. Fuck you, nigga. I'm a motherfucker. I swear to God, I got a fucking fly damn car. Arrow for Zach, nigga, pushing on that shit. Nigga, I swear to God, I ride up in your hood with your bitch. Nigga, hey, I'm coming through. Bitches say that I'm a pretty boy, nigga, and I can't lie to you. Yes, I am, cause I do it. My daddy told me do it, so I did it. Why I did it? Cause I know I'm fucking with it, nigga. What? Nigga, this beat is so hard. I'ma pass it over, then I'ma might stop your bitch and call her my hoe. That's all they do. Fuck her in the back seat, nigga. I get fucking grimy with it one time. Bitches look the way y'all fuck, cause they know why I hit her from the back end. Never fucking quit it, nigga.
Right here is my swag. All the bitches are on me. Glad.
Stamina.
Everybody pay attention.
Stamina.
This right here is my rude boy swag. Yeah, I'm on my rude boy swag. I'm so rude, I got you fags and tears. The flyest motherfucker is right here. All the bitches glad at rude boy swag right here. Ayy, so throw your hands up. You know I don't give a fuck. I throw the deuce up. You talking shit, you can get slumped. Right where you fucking standing. I'm in the club demanding. Every drink's on me. We can all party at my rude swag. Your bitch hella glad. I wrapped her up like classic Lockman. Took her to the pad. Best dope dick she ever had. I'm so to it. And this is how the rude boys just fucking do it. Rude boy swag, bitch. That's your girl about it.
Oh, ass nigga.